Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you the items we have purchased it from Amazon. In this online shopping, we can search for the items according to as per your requirement, and also you can read the item. You can read the reviews of the item. So we have purchased the cool items. So let's get into the video. What and all we have purchased. This is a set of three ceramic jars that I have purchased, and it comes as a three jars. This is really good idea to have on the dining table or on the countertop. It is really looking good, and also we can label it in the top. So I have used salt in one box, and I have used some other stuff in the two boxes. Every time we always purchase iPads and iPhone covers from Amazon only, because you get to choose a lot of varieties, and according to your requirement you can purchase these varieties. So this is the one I am showing it right now, but really this is an useful items. This is a very small item but very interesting and a very useful item. So this is a ring adjuster. It came a set of like 12 pieces I think. So if your ring is very big, and we can use any kind of these adjusters, and also we can use it in this way, so it does not give you any discomfort. This is really useful item. You will also see these kind of wires. So it is easy, you can insert these into any ring and we can cut it, and they are really useful. This is a Vidalia chopper that I have purchased it from Amazon. This is only available in two shops, Bed Bath Beyond or Amazon. So we purchased it Amazon, and it is really very helpful in chopping the vegetables in an even size. So we purchased it from Amazon. This is the thermos lunchbox we have ordered from Amazon. This is available in a very less stores, and also we wanted a correct size. So because of this, the food will be very hot. This lid is very good, and that's the reason we have been using it from a so long time, and the quality is very good. I found online shopping for essential oils is a good idea. So I have purchased these essential oil set from Amazon, and not the mug, but they are very reasonable price. This is a lid set for the mason jars that I have found in Amazon. I have seen them in one of the YouTubes, and I felt they are really useful, because always the mason jars will come with these kind of lids. So this will fit almost all sizes of mason jars. So this comes as a set of 12 I think, but really it is a very useful item. We have even purchased some textbooks for my kids, so they can do the practice at home. When they are at home, we can make them practice. So they are really helpful in children's education as well. These are the planners that I have purchased, and I have searched a lot of varieties, and I have chosen according to my options. So these kind of books you can also purchase from Amazon. This is a magnetic floating globe. We have purchased it from Amazon. It is rotating anti-gravity with LED lights. It is a very good educational gift for any home or for anybody. This is the area rug that we have purchased from Amazon. This is a 5x7 size, and I really like it, and this is also came in a very good price. Really it brings a lot of color to your hall living room. So in Amazon you can choose your choices, and you can wait for the price you are looking for. So I really like this rug from Amazon. You can also order any kind of kitchen appliances to our home from Amazon. So this is the small instant pot, 3 quart instant pot. This is also we have ordered it from Amazon. It came in a very nice shipping. This is a traditional Indian mixie, Preeti Eco Twin, with the two jars. I like this set. I know I have read the reviews of this set, and really I like the this mixie jar we have ordered from Amazon. This is a glass water bottle, 900 ml size and with a straw in it. So we can have the water with the straw. With the straw you can consume more water at a time. So this is also we purchased from Amazon. This is a Cuisinart sandwich griddle. This also we have ordered it through online. So in this way we can also order any kitchen items from Amazon. And Amazon is a right place to order gifts for your friends and family members. In a short given period of time, as per your choice, we can order the gifts. So in this way, thank you for watching. These are my purchases and I feel these are really great things to purchase from Amazon. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.